So, good day po, Sir Jester. I am Cusinini Apiado from 1IT4, and together I'm with Alianes and Jairo Dumantay. And we are here to show you how to download the Linux system VirtualBox and how to copy, paste, and download ang file from it. But first of all, ano nga ba yung Linux? So, Linux is an open source operating system based on Unix. It is known for its robustness, security, and flexibility. So, Linux is used in a wide variety of applications, from servers, desktops, and mobile devices to embedded systems. So, sorry for the background noise po. But let's get started. So, first, how to download it? Let's just search VirtualBox. Just wait for a while. The first one, let's click it. And let's click the downloads. The first one, Window Host. And ayan, nag-download na siya. I actually have the downloaded one na po. Parang din natin anin. So yan, kapag basta na-download na siya, since it might take a while. So ayan, X ko na to since I already downloaded kanina. So yan, kapag okay na, kapag na-download na natin, let's click yes. And yan, you can see prepare to install. Next lang po natin siya and so yan. Sorry po sa mga hindi po talaga sila. So yan, let's wait for a while. Let's click finish. Next, install. Yan, still installing. Wait lang po na. So, ayan na po. Already click finish. So, ito na siya. Yan. So, after we downloaded it po, natin siyang i-set up. Ayan. May gagana na po nalalabas sa ating screen. So, yan. Let's click. But first, let's download Ubuntu pala muna. So, yan, sorry. Let's download the Ubuntu 22.04. Yan. And download muna natin po siya. And still loading. Let's wait for it. Yan. Sorry po, itong mabagal ang ating Wi-Fi for today's video, but yeah, let's just wait for it. Yeah. So yan, let's click this. The Ubuntu 2024.05 Chami Jellyfish. Yeah, it's still loading po. So, ito po ang ating. So, ayan. Let's click this Ubuntu 2024 here. And I already downloaded one po kanina. Parang hindi na po tayo mag-wait. Pero ayan po. Ayun po yung mangyayari kapag pinindot natin yung, yung Ubuntu 2020.0. So, yan. Or hindi na po tayo mag-wait ng matagal since, ayan, medyo, matagal po siya. Ex ko na po ito since nakapag-download na ako kaganina. So, punta ulit tayo dito and click na natin yung new. Let's make a name. Lalagay ko na name natin. Alan, Gyro, and Date. Gyro and Date. Tapos, click po natin itong ISO image. Click other. So, dyan na po natin, yung download natin na Ubuntu. So, open. Skip na natin. Next. Yan, ang base memory na po natin ay 4,096%. Yan, hindi na po natin gagalawin yung CPU. Yan. Na natin yung and yan, next na rin natin to. And let's click finish. So, yan. After that, ayan, lumabas din yung preview ang Gyro Ray. And let's click na po yung start. So, wait lang natin. Just wait for it. Ayan. Tingnan po natin siya. So, ayan na po. Let's just wait for it. Pakihan natin siya. Ayan lang po natin. So, ayan na po yung lalabas na And wait lang po natin ulit siya. Since nagpa-process pa po siya. Ayan na po siya. Kapag lumabas na po yan, let's click install Ubuntu. So, ayan. Meron din dito na ayan, let's choose of course English. Continue lang. And continue. Ayan, let's still wait for a while po. Ayan. Install now. Complete. Ayan, let's just wait for a while lang po. Kailangan natin ito ng mahabang pasensya. Ayan po lang natin siya. Nagpa-process pa po siya. And ayan. Where are you? Of course, Manila. Continue. And yan. Here po, gagawa po tayo dito ng ating account. So, yeah, your name. Gaya ko na lang kaganina. Alan, Gyro, and Ray. Choose password. Of course, just always choose password na madaling tandaan. And nasusulat ko din, Alan. After that, let's click continue. Yan, mag-wait po ulit tayo. Welcome to Ubuntu. So, ayun po, welcome back. So, ayun, after natin mag-wait, ano po, ayan, sabi dito, installation complete, select routers, siyempre, pindutin natin yung restart now. And, yan na po yung lalabas, and yan, it's finally loading again. Let's just wait for it. Please remove the installation region, then press enter. Okay, let's press enter. Ayan na. Wait pa natin ulit siya. Still processing. Just wait for it again. And ayan na po. Ayan, finally. Ayan na yung lalabas po sa ating screen, and you can skip this one. So, ayan na. Let's skip. Ayan. Grabe, kaya rin natin gamitin yung Ubuntu para makapag-install ng mga software na gaya na Spotify. So, ayan na nga po yung lalabas, and after natin ma-install, mag-wait, yan na po yung lalabas, and we are here now sa Ubuntu kung saan magka-create tayo ng files or magka-copy-paste tayo ng paano ba ilagay sa album. So, here makikita natin meron dyan. Click lang natin, right-click lang natin, and let's select new folder. So, ang gagawin natin, lagay na natin ay prelim major. So, let's create it. So, ito na siya. As you can see, nandito po siya. And, ayan, try natin mag-copy ng this picture. Let's copy it. Tala tayo dito sa prelim major. As you can see, walang FT yung folder. And kapag finish natin, yan, pupunta na po dyan yung kinopy natin na folder kanina. Napunta na siya dito sa prelim major. And ngayon naman, let's set this one first. Paano nga ba mag-create ng file? So, ayan, punta tayo dito sa click lang natin itong Library Office, right? So, yan, sulat tayo dito. For example, Alan Magallanes, Jairo Damantay, oh no, Jairo Damantay, Marina Piano. Yan. And to save it, just click File. Yan. Save as natin siya. Ipunta natin siya dito sa Downloads. Yan. Lagyan natin prelim major. And then, let's click Save. Natin mag-save natin ito, and tayo sa files. Let's see the downloads, and ayun na siya, nandun na siya, nakapag-create na tayo ng file. Yun yung ginawa natin, yan. And I think that's all po, and I hope you learned something from this video. Once again, I'm Christine Apiada and I'm with Howell Magallanes and Jairo Daman. Thanks for watching!
Good morning, Sir Jester. What I like about the Linux operating system is its community support and resources. Linux is widely used as a server operating system due to its robust community support and resources. Support includes user forums, online knowledge bases, live chat help desk, and detailed tutorials. However, Linux users benefits from the abundance of dedicated forums. They are filled with experienced professionals eager to help those who may be having trouble with setup or who have questions regarding configurations options. Many forums offer personalized advice and general information on the topics ranging from hardware compatibility to troubleshooting common issues.
One of my favorite parts of Linux is its reliability. It's incredibly secure, which makes it well suited for mission-critical tasks. Linux robust open source code base and highly active development community mean bugs can quickly be identified and patched. Additionally, many available packages makes tool easily accessible to complete the task at hand. Long-term support versions of Linux distributions allow users to upgrade reliably without worrying about compatibility issues. Many companies provide dedicated long-term support versions designed specifically for use as servers with guaranteed support and security updates for up to 5 years or more.
Ano nga ba yung pinaka-nakagustuhan kong feature sa Linux OS? So, meron akong tatlong pinaka-nagustuhan, which is yung cost, stability, and yung variety of distribution. So, cost, since it is free to use and wala siyang license fees or any additional fee. So, very good yon. Next is yung stability. So, it's reliable and stable operation and with long-term support options. And lastly, in nga po yung variety of distributions, a wide range of distribution to choose from, and lahat yon merong unique features. So, that's all po.